Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. In a competitive job market, speed and professionalism are everything. If it takes days for your hiring manager to see an application, or if the candidate never receives a confirmation, you're losing top talent. With smart form notifications, you can turn a simple Google form into a high-speed recruitment engine that keeps your team informed and your candidates engaged. First, we'll ensure your team is notified the second a resume lands. In the sidebar, create a workflow for your hiring manager. By using merge tags in the subject line, the manager knows exactly who applied and for what role before they even open the email. It's about instant visibility and faster decision-making. Next, we automate the candidate experience. We'll create a second workflow specifically for the applicant. This time, we use the candidate's email merge tag as the recipient. This provides a professional first impression and confirms their application is in the right hands, building brand trust before the first interview even begins. The result is a seamless, automated funnel. One submission triggers two distinct actions. You can verify every notification in your execution logs, ensuring your hiring process is moving at lightning speed with 100% accountability. Take the stress out of recruitment. Automate your hiring, reduce your admin time, and land your next great hire. Install SmartForm notifications from the Google Workspace Marketplace today and visit gwaddons.com to explore more ways to automate your HR workflows.